What's going on, guys? I'm going to show you how I process Gaylords, and we're going to try to process 3 Gaylords. Side note, a Gaylord is a term for a shit ton of books. It's generally between 800 and 1,200 books. Yeah, it's just like a big ass pallet of books, basically. Sorry, there's weird terminology in the book selling world. Right now I'm at U-Haul, and the reason why I'm doing U-Haul and not Penske or another one of these companies, U-Hauls don't have lift gates, and because of that, they're way cheaper. Okay. So in the past, I've rented a Penske truck because they have a lift gate, which is super nice, and all the bulk book guys will tell you you need a lift gate, which is true if you're dealing with a lot of Gaylords, but today I'm only picking up 3, and we're gonna try to process them all in one day. So I have 2 of my friends back at my storage unit right now. Actually, they're outsourcing for me right now. One of them is. The other one's outsourcing for me at a local bookstore. The other one's doing his laundry, and they're both gonna come over, and we're just gonna dump all these books and process them as fast as possible. So I'm on my way to the thrift store right now, about to pick up a couple Gaylords. Here's all the books we got. We got about 2.5 Gaylords worth. And out here at the storage unit, Henry Ford style with Wild Man Willie, we're stacking these books ISBN up, ass up. Fritz is scanning through them. ScoutIQ up there, audio triggers so we can hear them. We're putting all the dud books in these boxes right here. Then we're gonna take these to a local bookstore, get store credit for them. Everything else, we are, these are all the good books. So all those will be listed on Amazon. So everything good's right here. This is previously good sources. As you can see, we write the source name on the box, fill it up with good books. My listers come, they pull up here. I give them all a key to the storage unit. They take these books, take them to their house, they list them up for me. So that's how it works. If you guys aren't using this shit's dope for packing boxes. It's painter's paper. This stuff's awesome. So out here hustling. So if you want to get Gaylord connections, first of all, like, the most important thing is that you're getting quality books. If you get a bunch of shitty books, who cares if you have a ton of books? It might look cool for Instagram or YouTube or whatever, but at the end of the day, you want quality books that you can sell on Amazon, which kind of leads to my next point. You want to have a system in place for your duds. If you can't monetize your duds, or at least move them fast, if you don't have a way to get them out without having too much effort, don't do bulk. So as far as getting Gaylord connections, what you should be doing is, you should already know your city 100%, and maybe surrounding areas, surrounding cities. I just dropped a video on this earlier. It's basically, I map out the cities that I go to with Google Map Maker. I have a link to that below. And then also I use citydata.com, so that the city data shows you the wealth, but you should already be familiar with your city if you've been cherry picking for a while. So you know the good sources, you know where the good books are, you know what side of town they hang out around. So talk to the managers at those places, whether it's a library, thrift store, recycler. I mean, you're not going to be sourcing at recyclers, but the recyclers might have access to pretty good books. I've never personally done it, but it's probably good to have a connection with a recycler anyway, because if you're ever in a situation where you just need to get rid of a shit ton of books, if you have a recycler that will pay you for the books, that's a win-win. So, Dirty Fritz right here, out here hustling. We got about a Gaylord in our car right now, headed back from North Carolina. So I use a 10x method to list books when I'm on the road, and we needed a bounce from North Carolina, so I think we actually shipped out about probably twice as many books already. So if you guys want to know how I do that so fast, below there's a link. It's called the 10x Roamer listing method. Shout out Reagan for helping me out with that. It's my first product. Let me know what you guys think. Comment below, like, subscribe, unsubscribe. Peace out, y'all.